Hi, I'm Monica Fourman.
I'm Cary Fourman. This is my wife Monica. We're here at Leap Ahead, and
Yes.
we just want to share our thoughts on Leap Ahead. Basically, we're new to the spa industry. We own other businesses, and we came here to learn about the spa industry. Really with no knowledge. We've learned a ton. We feel like we're going to leave Leap Ahead with enough information to ensure success. The conference itself has been fun, it's been engaging, it's been filled with knowledge, and not just knowledge in the Medi spa or the spa industry. I mean, we're being filled with nuggets that we can take back and apply to other businesses we own. So it's exceeded our expectations. We highly encourage you to be part of it. And I would say as an investment, the return on the investment will probably be tenfold to be invested in it. So
yes.
big thumbs up. Look forward to doing more conferences with Dory in the future.
Yes.